Silipin na nga natin ang ating mga highlights for this PBA Tuesday. First quarter of action, etong Talking Text went to that long ball. Larry Fonacier was sizzling at nakapagtayo sila ng kalamangan ng hanggang 12 puntos.
Ang pinakamataas, 21-9. Nabanggit natin, kailangan tumawag ng maraming timeout si Coach Tim Cone dahil masyadong malamya yung kanyang kupunan at the end of the first two quarters. Lamang ang Talking Text, 25-20.
Ayan nga, no? First quarter score, 25-20. Second quarter, dito lalong nag-init ang ating labanan. Speaking of init, Peter Jun Simon nagsimula mag-init ang kamay.
4 out of his 6 points were scored in the second quarter. Yung total niya sa kanyang halftime at di lamang yan. Inararo na ni Marcus Blakely ang kanyang counterpart. Got the import of Talking Text in foul trouble, and it was not the same again defensively for Pettigrew.
Jason Castro tried to do all he can to give them a shot at taking the half. Actually, lamang sila doon 44-43 bago nila na-surrender ng 1 point yung kalamangan.
Pagdating sa ating pangatlong yugto, yung star hot shots, unti-unti nang umaalagwa. Pero nandun pa rin ang mga nakanakang pagtira ni Ranidel de Ocampo upang bumaba yung kalamangan sa isa. Pero nabanggit natin, nung umupo itong si Pettigrew sa bench because of 4 personal fouls, hindi na nahinto si Marcus Blakely.
67-63 at this point. PJ Simon once again chumps it out. Devance lines up the long one. JDB lit it up. And third consecutive double-digit scoring game para kay Devance.
19 points total for Joe Devance. And why did we give it to PJ Simon? It's the player efficiency rating. Plus 23 si PJ every time he is inside the court.
89-75. PJ Simon scoops it up and in once again. Pumanik na si Disais ang abante ng Star Hotshots, forcing Talking Text into a timeout. Pero ito, hinahanap na nila yung backbreaker sa pagkakataon na ito. They go to their import, Mr. Everything, nangalabaw na lang.
26 puntos for Marcus Blakely. Dagdag mo pa ang 14 rebound. At again, 3-point shot there. A total of 19 for Joe Devance. He played big for much of the time. That is a kind of lineup Coach Tim Cone wanted to match up against the speed of Talking Text.